Hello and welcome to the new video on overall feedback of 4th week online FDB on tools for online teaching learning process. I introduce myself Jitendra S. Bhatt, working as an assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Kolhapur Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Autonomous, Kolhapur. Outline of this video: Week 1 Effective Teaching Practices, Week 2 Creation of Online Resources, Week 3 Moodle as a Learning Management System, and Week 4 Digital and Advanced Pedagogy. Introduction. MSBTE approved 4-week online FDP on tools for online teaching learning process, organized by Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic, Jalgaon. Week 1 Effective Teaching Practices. I have gained from this week 1 challenges of 21st century of education in front of teachers as well as in front of students. Understand Bloom's taxonomy levels for achieving higher learning outcomes, means Bloom's taxonomy verbs and the steps which we can use to achieve the higher learning outcomes. Design and apply active learning strategies in classroom teaching. So here the difference shared between passive learning and active learning. Identify students with different learning style, because each and every student is unique, so their learning styles also different. So identify students with different learning styles. Understand effective teaching practices and effectively use of PowerPoint for creation of presentation. So these are the things which I gained. So week 1 effective teaching practices, I will utilize the knowledge which I have gained in this week 1 for adopt new style of teaching and learning, plan new active learning strategies in classroom like project based learning, group discussion, etc. Prepare roadmap of learning according to student learning style. So I'll make a roadmap for different students according to their learning styles. Implement effective teaching practices. Explore the knowledge of PowerPoint presentation to make the teaching learning process interesting. So task 1 for week 1, creation of PowerPoint presentation on any of the topic of your subject. So in my subject, CAM and follower is one of the topics. So I prepared the presentation with the help of PowerPoint, and I have shown here 2 slides. So what I learned, so what is my learning experience of task 1? I understand the rule of PowerPoint presentation, means 6x6 rules, or you should not go beyond two different fonts. The proper combination of brightness, darkness, and all those things. Effective use of PowerPoint presentation and learn new feature of PowerPoint presentation. Week 2 creation of online resources. I have gained from this week 2 understand resources for online learning by including component of online teaching. Importance of reflection spot, learning by doing activity in learning dialogue. Preparation of video resources by using PowerPoint, Screencast-O-Matic, and Video Scribe software. Creation of own WordPress website. Learn modification and manage content of WordPress website. I will utilize this knowledge of week 2 which I gained for make use of resources for online teaching learning. Effective use of reflection spot, because reflection spots are necessary These reflection spots is useful for students to understand, to learn the things. Plan learning by doing activity for students. I'll plan some activity doing learning by doing activity. Prepare video resources using Screencast-matics video as well as Cam software, Cam Studio software. Utilization of own WordPress website for student activity. Task 2, creation of video resource using Screencast-O-Matics. So this is my video. So if you look at this video, I have uploaded on YouTube. So this is my video, which I have prepared with the help of Screencast-O-Matics. So what I learned? So learning experience of task 2, first one, learn use of Screencast-O-Matics for creation of video resources. Knowledge of YouTube channel, how to upload the video resource on our own YouTube channel. Third week, Moodle as a learning management system. I have gained from this week 3, knowledge of learning management system, creation of own Gnomio, Moodle or Google Classroom, which are learning management system for the subjects. Registration of student to created Moodle or Google Classroom. Design various activity, resource, blocks like page, file, URL, games, quiz with restriction access and activity completion criteria in Gnomio, Moodle and Google Classroom. Prepare, award the badges and certificates to the learner in Gnomio, Moodle and Google Classroom. I will utilize the knowledge which I gained in week 3 for creation of own Gnomio, Moodle and Google Classroom for the subjects. Plan activity with learning management system. Prepare games, etc. to create interest in the subject. Create, award the batches and certificate to the system students. Task 3, creation of Google Classroom. So I have given the link for the Google Classroom. You can see here this link give you the information of Google Classroom, which is one of the best learning management system for students. So if you look at this, this is my Google Classroom for SY Mechanical Engineering students. So I have enrolled the students here as well as teacher, co-teachers. You can see here the topic, basics of kinematic velocity, acceleration, friction, etc. Grades given to the students, as well as I have given the quiz as well as assignment with dates, due dates. So this is all about Google Classroom learning management system. So learning experiences, learn effective use of learning management system as Moodle and Google Classroom. Week 4, digital and advanced pedagogy. I have gained from this week 4, create e-learning resource using various online free software tools available. Create and use digital student response system like Mentimeter, Flickr and Kahoot. Create and use online platform for discussion, quizzes or conducting webinars. Implement modern pedagogical techniques in classroom or online teaching. I will utilize the knowledge of week 4 for prepare e-learning resource using various online free software tools available. Make use of digital student response system like Mentimeter, Flickr and Kahoot. Effective use of online platform for discussions, quiz, or conducting webinar by using Instagram, Skype, or Zoom. Design and apply modern pedagogical techniques in classroom or online teaching. Task 4. Design any one activity on digital and advanced pedagogy. So I have prepared video of that activity. So you can see here. So these are the steps. So in week number 4 task, learning experience, learn to create e-learning resources using various online free software tools available. Knowledge of Mentimeter to collect student response or polls or survey. Conclusion out of this 4-week faculty development program. Resource person are explained each topic in details. Planned learning by doing activity after each video for active participation. Planned weekly tasks to get in-depth knowledge of every activity. Create enthusiasm among all participants to learn new tools and techniques. Support and help every participant around the clock through Telegram. At the end of this particular video, I would like to thanks with one interesting quote, Benjamin Franklin. Tell me I forgot. Teach me I remember. Involve me I learn. So with the help of this 4-week faculty development program on tools on online teaching learning process involves us to learn the new things. Thank you very much to given this opportunity to learn and explore the new things. Thanks one and all. Happy learning.